Hi, my name is Dr. Philip Zinni, and I wanted to give you a little bit of a background about the importance of glutathione. I get so many questions about it, I thought I'd put together this quick 2-minute pictorial tutorial. When you are born, you're at the highest quality point of life. So the whole idea is to maintain that high quality of your life. But what happens? You cry, you take your first breath of air, and that, amongst many others, is your body's first exposure to free radicals, which can damage your body. Then you take your first drink of water and eat food. You live in the environment. All these things produce free radicals. Even doing healthy things like exercise produces free radicals. When you sum it up, these are all the events that you naturally do by living life. So the importance of glutathione is to help soak up or neutralize these free radicals, to reduce the oxidative stress, cellular deterioration, and accelerated aging. We notice that glutathione production starts to decline about age 20. Then glutathione production rapidly declines and replacement is recommended by age 40. All this corresponds with the usual modern mainstream medicine lifespan downward spiral, which is about 80% of your expected lifespan, which coincidentally is where most people only spend about 20% of their healthcare dollars on themselves to promote a healthy life. Paradoxically and sadly, when you enter that downward end of life spiral of about 20% of your expected lifespan, that's when you're forced to spend about 80% of your healthcare dollars just to try to forestall the inevitable grave. To live beyond that average life expectancy of 76 years of age, you should invest your healthcare dollars wisely now. You want to square the curve of functional health span medicine. So this way, you're out having the time of your life, riding your bike, and you accidentally ride off a cliff and life ends, happily doing what you love to do most. How do you do that? With Glutamist, the first glutathione mist end product. Prior to Glutamist, you would come to my clinic, get an IV infusion, which cost hundreds of dollars, sometimes in some clinics up to $1,000, and get an IV started, or an injection of glutathione. And you'd often have to repeat that. I like to be on my side of the needle, not your side, so I think you would probably want to just twist and mist. So now with Glutamist, all you have to do is twist and mist, no pain, easily affordable, and at a cost that you can use Glutamist every day. So please contact the individual that invited you to this presentation. They'll help you order yours today. I hope I've encouraged you, given you wisdom for health. May God bless you. Thank you for listening.